What is up guys, my name is Chase and we just unboxed the 10th generation iPad. I'm super duper excited to use this new iPad, but for this video I wanted to unbox some accessories. Specifically, we have the ESR Rebound magnetic keyboard case. From the looks of it, this seems to be a cheaper third-party option for the Apple Magic Keyboard Folio for the iPad, which runs for like $250 US. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's insane. I got this case for less than 50% of that price, so hopefully this will turn out to be a good quality product. So let's open this up here. Rebound magnetic keyboard case. I've never honestly used any ESR products. I've always seen them, on Amazon or whatever. So I'm interested to see how this case is. It shows us some instructions here, how to set it all up. Unfortunately, it does not use the smart connector on the iPad, so you do have to connect it through Bluetooth. Kind of a bummer, but I mean, hey, I think we'll deal with it. Ta-da! So here is the actual case. It also comes with a little USB-C cable here for charging. Also kind of unfortunate is that you do actually have to charge this case. Anyway, let's check it out and see how it is. There's this little magnetic flap over here. Opening that up. Shablam! There's the actual keyboard. I don't know how does this work? I don't know how this works. I'm scared I'm gonna break this hinge. So ideally, we take our iPad here. I think we should just be able to snap this in. There it is. It just kind of magnetically connects. I can't talk. And it just kind of floats like that, which is kind of cool. Let's try to actually use it, I guess. I don't know how to turn it on. Power button. Double tap the power button to turn the keyboard on or off. Oh, maybe it has to charge. Do I have to charge it? I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Hey, it actually worked. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never felt so stupid in my life. Let's see if this actually works. So, it has a trackpad, which is really cool. Hey! Look at me go, I'm using a cursor on an iPad. That's pretty sick, actually. Let's try and interact with something. I don't know, let's go to books. Wow. That's actually pretty crazy. I never thought we would be able to use trackpads on iPads. So we have a problem. I think my left option key is broken, so when you press option and this key up here, it's supposed to turn on the backlight on the keyboard. So it works with the right option, but when I use the left option, nothing happens. That's why the Bluetooth wasn't working before. So that's a problem. But I mean, hey, the trackpad works, and that's pretty cool. Let me try type some stuff. The keyboard, I don't know, it feels pretty good for the most part. It feels like a pretty normal keyboard, I would say. Nothing really stands out in a good or bad way for me. Hi, my name is Chase. Welcome to my channel. Boom. Hi, my name is Chase. Welcome to my channel. I don't know, let's try and close it up and see how it feels in the closed position. So here's what it's closed. It is quite heavy actually, not gonna lie. It's a pretty chunky boy. All right, I'm gonna open it up, pretend I don't know, I'm at work. I'm gonna do some typing or something. Boom. There it is. I'm gonna have to figure out this option key thing because that's kind of annoying that the left option key doesn't work. Well, in any case, that was my quick little unboxing and first look, I guess, at the ESR Rebound magnetic keyboard. So far, it works fine. I'm not really upset that I have this. I'm a bit upset about the option key not working. Besides that, I don't know, I think it's a pretty quality case so far. I'm interested to see how it holds up in everyday use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see my unboxing of the 10th generation iPad, feel free to check it out below. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this third-party iPad keyboard case. For now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.